Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.